To me, origami is transformation. You take a flat piece of paper and all of a sudden with a few folds it becomes something with a life of its own. Now if you scale that up to folding cardboard, we're able to transform not just paper, but we're transforming lives. Cardborigami is the result of design with the focus of humanitarian aid. It can be used to provide shelter for the urban homeless or victims of natural disasters. It is recyclable, it's water resistant, and it's flame retardant. I went to the USC School of Architecture. I actually studied abroad in Southeast Asia. It was my first time experiencing third world poverty firsthand. That trip and that experience and then coming back to LA really made me determined to do something to utilize my skills to contribute to society. Skid Row is a term used for the area where homeless people live on the streets in every city. But in Los Angeles, it's actually 5 city blocks. Cardborigami was able to do what I created it to do, which was to help the homeless. It basically folds into a fraction of the size, and then when you need it, you can open it up and get inside and use it.
I love it. The question is like, when can I get one?
It's not just about providing a more comfortable space on the streets, but it's really about creating a path where people can empower themselves with temporary shelter as the first step. The LA LGBT Youth Center is this amazing space. We were able to hire 5 homeless youth to fold and assemble the floors, the roofs, and the doors of about 100 Cardborigami units.
Folding Cardborigami was my first job I ever had. It was an amazing opportunity to work for this amazing cause that's helping homeless people at Skid Row.
It was a win for us and we got our shelters assembled, and it was a win for the participants because they got experience and it really turned out well. I am currently working on a new prototype of Cardborigami that will be completely waterproof but still recyclable. And those shelters will be utilized for disaster relief. To me, Mother of Invention is such an honor because it really encompasses what I'm trying to do with Cardborigami. Utilize innovation to help people. I think everyone deserves shelter, and that's what Cardborigami is able to provide.